Hello dear students, welcome to surfgyan.com career guidance portal. This is a tutorial about how to fill BITSAT 2021 application form. Visit the official website of BITSAT. Now click here to apply for BITSAT 2021. Read these instructions before filling the application form. Click on allow me to apply online. Now there are 3 steps to apply online. You can also check these steps before filling the application form and click on new registration. First is your personal details. Enter your name as per your class 12th documents. Select your gender. Enter your date of birth. Now enter a valid email ID. Confirm your email ID. Enter a 10-digit mobile number. Again confirm your mobile number. Next you have to create a password. Confirm your password. Enter the captcha pin and click on proceed. Now click on confirm and submit details. Next is your personal details. Next you have to enter your father's name, your mother's name, your father's mobile number, your nationality, address for correspondence. Write your complete address, your city, PIN code and your state. Next is 12th examination details. Name of the institutions presently studying or last attended. Then your examination board. Select from the drop down menu. If not, you can also write it over here. Then your year of passing or appearing. Next is choose the subject to be taken in the BITSAT exam, which you have mathematics and or biology. Next is test center preferences. You can select any 3 test center. Click on submit. Next is your scanned photograph and signature. First upload your photograph. Click on upload. Then your signature. Again click on upload. Then click on next. There's a fee payment. You can pay the fees by using these modes. Click on yes, I agree and pay now. Now you have to complete your payment. If you have any other queries, you can ask us on surfgyan.com. Thank you for watching.